What is going on, folks? This is Antoine with Cord Cutter Lifestyle and Tech, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Hype brand smartwatch. This one was purchased at Dollar General for 20 bucks. $20 smartwatch. Has a bunch of different features. What it doesn't have is GPS, and that's obvious, but it has some of the most popular features like controlling phone calls. You can send text messages from this device, timers, pedometer, fitness, all that type of stuff. But it is limited. So when I first purchased this watch, the lady at Dollar General said that people have been returning them a lot because it just ain't been staying connected to their cell phones or tablets. So I went on ahead and purchased it, because I wanted to see what the issue was. So when I first got the watch, I brought it home, I charged it. And I went on ahead and I just connected it to my phone. And that's when the problem started. It wouldn't recognize, even though it's connected to my phone, none of the features will work. So then I decided to pick up the user manual. The user manual is very detailed, very, very detailed. So what you have to do, and if you own this watch, this is what you have to do. You have to download the Fundo companion app, and then reboot your phone. Just restart your phone, restart the watch, and then connect it, and that should solve all your issues. It will stay connected. So going over some of the features, as you can see, the watch face looks pretty decent. Let's go back to the home screen. You got your Bluetooth, your apps right here, or your settings right here. So just make this real quick. I'm gonna go over some of the popular features. So one thing I like about this phone or this watch is it has an anti-lost feature. So if you misplace your phone, you can press that and your phone will ring. So you can see right now my phone is ringing, and you just press your OK button to stop. So that's one of the features. Press OK. So then you have an anti-loss features where if you're a certain amount of feet, I believe it's like 30 feet, 33 feet or something like that away from your phone, your watch will it will do that ringtone, and it'll alert you. It'll let you know that you're a certain distance away from your phone. So I felt that was pretty cool for a watch like this. Also, you have a pedometer. Let's go over to the Now the pedometer was surprisingly, accurate. One thing I did to test it out is let's go ahead and start it. I started shaking the watch. So, manual pedometers, you could just shake them and it'll count your steps. So what I did was I started shaking my watch, and it didn't record it. You have to actually be moving for it to count your steps, and that's because it has a motion sensor in it. So definitely getting my money's worth. Another thing, you can change the display settings. Now you don't have a lot of options when it comes to watch faces, but you see right there the motion sensor and the flip to mute, incoming calls, unlocking. That's where you can change your watch faces. Let's go to that, digital 2. Okay, go back to the home screen. So your standard watch face right there, but I prefer that one. Alright, so anti-loss, you can change the ringtone. You got an alarm on it, stopwatch, pedometer, calendar. You could dialer, cell phone dialer, phone book. You can access your phone book, your phone messages. You can access and control your cell phone's camera, and my favorite is playing music. So this watch does have a speaker. That's the speaker right there, and that's your USB charger. So it doesn't take a micro SD card. So That's what I thought it was over there. I thought that was some type of charger slot right there, or it took some type of new SD card. But it doesn't take an SD card. That is the speaker. But you can easily play your music. Just open the app in your phone and then, you know, put your phone back in your pocket and you can control it with the watch. So whether you know, and the music plays from this speaker, so whether you playing like Spotify, Pandora, or Google Play, it's going to come through here. So let's look at some of the features you don't have. Like, for example, the Tick Watch, or even the older smartwatches when they first came. I know, like the Sony smartwatch, I had the version 2, and it, you know, it's just some features it didn't have that smartwatches have nowadays. But it doesn't have the Play Store. It doesn't have the Google Play Store. It doesn't have Google Play Music. It doesn't have a wide variety of watch faces. No GPS, no heart rate monitor. But overall, you know, it's a pretty decent watch. You know, if you guys have any questions about it, just hit me up in the comment section below. You know, I've been messing around with this watch for, like I said, a week. And if you have any issues getting it connected, just holler at me. Holler at your boy. You know, I can help you through that. Alright. So that's the camera. I don't know if you guys can see it. I got my phone right here pointing at the box. Let's see. See what we got on TV. Got a little football on TV. So it's pretty nice features on it. And let me show you guys the Fundo. Alright folks, so this is the Fundo app right here. And on the Fundo companion app, you can choose which notifications that you want it to show. So if you don't want it to show you SMS notifications, you can block it. If you don't want it to show you Facebook notifications, you can just block that. She's loading up right now. And I apologize if the audio kind of messed up. So as you can see right here, you know, any notifications you don't want it to show, you just go ahead and uncheck it. As you see, Nike Run Club, you can uncheck that, or, you know, just different notifications, system apps. Accessibility, the watch will talk to you if you like visually impaired. The watch will talk to you. Let's go back. And one thing I did have an issue with is I registered my email address so I could log my steps and all that, and, you know, to see where I was at on a daily basis. And I went to log in, but nothing happened. So I don't know what's the deal with that. You know, I tried to reset my password, went through the steps, and it never sent me. I mean, I tried it like 5 different times, and this was back like 5 days ago. I still haven't got an email was saying, you know, the normal reset your password process. So I don't know what's the deal with that. I don't know who I gave my email address to. So that was just kind of weird to me. But, you know, overall, this watch is a pretty decent companion. Very simple to use. No complaints here. You know, I use it mainly to play my music and to just see what kind of notifications I got without having to pull my phone out of my pocket. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions, like I said, leave them in the comment section below. I will get back to you, and I will talk to you guys next time.